1789년 프랑스 혁명 당시 바스티유 감옥을 점령한 시민들은 기이한 수감 기록 하나를 발견하는데 그 기록에는 한 남자가 얼굴에 철가면을 쓴 채 오랫동안 독방에 갇혀 있었다는 내용이 적혀 있었고, 지금부터 시작되는 이야기는 그 남자의 비밀에 대한 이야기입니다.
You dead yet?
영화 아이언 마스크 시작합니다. 1662년 프랑스 파리, 식량 부족으로 인해 왕실을 향한 국민들의 원성은 높아져만 갔고, 그 모습을 지켜보던 총사대 총대장 달타냥은 어두운 표정으로 어디론가 향하는데, 한편 총사대를 은퇴한 삼총사들은 저마다의 삶을 살아가고 있었고,
Yes, leave His Holiness alone. Stop praying and revel with me, Aramis. I'm praying. If you'd seen the tits that just walked out of here. I'm trying to pray. You're always praying.
그때 달타냥이 들어와 아라미스에게 왕이 급히 부른다는 소식을 전합니다.
Still you serve him loyally, even though the people throw rotten eggs at his royal emblem.
King says immediately.
One for all, D'Artagnan.
And all for one.
When will you ask her?
Not today.
Will this help?
Mother's ring. I can't take this. I want to die knowing it's on the finger of the woman my son loves.
그 시각 왕궁에서는 대신들이 심각한 식량난을 왕에게 보고하고 있었는데,
Riots?
Yes, our duty to inform you that there are riots in Paris.
Why should my people feel anything but pride and contentment?
But they are also starving.
루이는 백성들의 고통을 대수롭지 않게 여겼죠. 그때 아라미스가 들어오고,
The Jesuits.
That His Majesty's wars are unjust and the source of public hunger.
Ah, Aramis.
Your Majesty.
루이는 아라미스에게 감당하기 힘든 명령을 내리는데,
I want you to find out who the secret leader of the Jesuits. I wish you to kill him. Can you accept this mission and keep it private?
When I discover the identity of this Jesuit rebel, I will kill both him and the man who told me.
Once a musketeer, always a musketeer, huh?
About these riots. We have stocks on the wharves right now, don't we?
But, Majesty, that food is spoiling.
Then you must hurry.
What an excellent idea, Your Majesty.
Don't they look glorious?
Not so glorious as you.
Who is that?
Her name is Christine.
백성들이 굶주림에 허덕이는 와중에도 루이는 문제를 해결하기는커녕 귀족들을 불러 돼지잡기 행사를 열고, 그 모습을 지켜보던 달타냥은 왕에게 진심 어린 우려를 표하는데,
Who in France would be possibly such a fool as to try and do me harm? My wish, D'Artagnan, is to enjoy this party, as should you. Ladies?
I love you. I'll never be a rich man, but you'll always have my heart.
Then I am richer than the king.
And I have something to give you that once belonged to my mother.
Behold, our unicorn! Whoever captures our unicorn shall win its treasure. Now, to the chase!
The pendant will be yours.
루이는 분수의 물줄기로 길을 막아 크리스틴을 인적이 드문 곳으로 유인한 뒤 그녀에게 접근해 아름다움을 칭찬하며 자신의 시녀가 될 것을 권하고,
But I'm engaged to Raoul, or will be when he manages to ask me.
A soldier who has not yet proposed above a king?
I could only be faithful to my heart.
But how faithful is that heart to you? Wait, Christine.
루이가 크리스틴에게 다시 키스를 하려는 그 순간 누군가 루이를 암살하려고 하는데,
Christine.
Raoul!
Feed your people.
Jesuits. Get me a general.
Her Majesty wishes a word with you.
I understand you saved my son's life today, and you are not hurt?
No, my lady.
That is good.
Captain, Raoul, son of Athos, has withdrawn his request to join the Musketeers.
왕이 자신의 여자를 원한다는 사실을 알게 되자 더 이상 왕에게 충성하지 않기로 결심한 라울. 그의 안위가 걱정된 달타냥은 라울의 아버지 아토스를 찾아가 조심스레 말을 건네려고 하는데,
Athos.
Raoul, look who's come to visit.
What's the matter? I've been recalled to my regiment. You've already served at the front. I believe the king's eye has fallen on Christine.
Raoul.
Does he have trouble filling his bed? I served his father. He would put my son's life in danger?
I will speak to the king personally.
You don't know what it's like to have a son.
Fatherhood is a blessing.
당시 네덜란드와 전쟁 중이던 프랑스 달타냥은 왕이 진정 크리스틴을 차지하려고 라울을 전장으로 보낸 것이 맞는지 확인하기 위해 급히 왕궁으로 달려가는데 분노한 백성들이 거리로 쏟아져 나옵니다.
People are saying the food the king ordered us to distribute is rotten. Get the gate! We'll fire a volley into them.
Do not fire.
It's D'Artagnan. Citizens of Paris, listen to me. They give us garbage that didn't fit for rent. Listen to me, I beg you.
You're right. It is rotten. I'll speak to the king myself, and you will release those men. They serve France. You.
한편 그 시각 루이는 궁 앞의 상황을 무시한 채 미래를 즐기고 있었는데
I'm hungry.
I'll have some food brought.
I like to eat alone. By the way, you'll be leaving tomorrow. D'Artagnan, these passageways were made for the king's security, not so you can startle me to death.
But they are eating rotten food and sometimes none at all.
I'll deal with that decisively.
달타냥은 루이에게 라울에 관한 일을 조심스레 묻고
Do you question my honor?
No, I do not question your honor.
Raoul will return soon. You have my word.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
D'Artagnan, I am a young king, but I am king.
Then be a good king.
You're the new chief advisor. Execute him for distributing rotten food. And the next time there are rioters, shoot them.
Please take this to the royal dispatches.
Raoul, son of Athos, has been killed in action.
아들의 죽음에 크게 상심한 아토스는 루이에게 복수하기 위해 다음날 궁전으로 향합니다.
The cannons kill Raoul. Do not add your own death to this tragedy. Get back.
You're the traitor.
달타냥이 고군분투하는 사이 루이는 크리스틴을 궁으로 초대해 병든 가족의 생계를 책임져 주겠다며 다시 한번 달콤한 말로 그녀를 유혹하는데
You've lost someone dear to your heart, and I have no desire for you to sit here trying to turn that heart to stone. To good health.
결국 크리스틴은 병든 어머니와 여동생을 위해 어쩔 수 없는 선택을 하게 되고
You're so beautiful.
I cannot do this.
Hope you know that there is more of me to love than a crown.
한편 아라미스가 포르토스, 아토스, 달타냥을 비밀스러운 장소로 데려가는데
We were in a tomb. Please, sit. When we were young men, we saw injustice. We fought it.
그리고 그는 이어서 충격적인 말을 꺼내죠.
I am the general of the Order of Jesuits.
What do you propose to do?
Replace the king.
I am with you.
So am I.
You cannot ask me to betray my king.
Why do you follow him, D'Artagnan? Why?
I fight for the belief that every man can be better.
Even Louis. The next time we meet, one of us will die.
결국 달타냥과 삼총사는 뜻을 함께할 수 없음을 깨닫고 갈라섭니다.
I understand that there was an incident at the Musketeers' Gate. Is it our policy now to allow would-be assassins to go free?
His son is dead.
What about losing your king?
Well, that depends on the king. Now, if he has become our enemy, we should ask ourselves why.
Are they a threat to me?
Then we need not seek them out. They will find us.
Not if you find them first.
바스티유 감옥에 변장을 하고 잠입을 시도하는 삼총사.
It is a replacement. The usual twist is to seek to move.
It is my confession day. I'm sorry you've never seen me before. I must shock you.
I'm a friend. I'm here to help you.
What are you doing?
You escaped to freedom.
Who is this?
He's you.
I thought you last this long, but how could you just kill over?
He says the prisoner has a fever, just like the other prisoners.
She brought plague in here. Get him out of here.
He says, burn it, or we'll all get plague. I think he's right. Don't touch me! Get out!
철가면을 쓴 남자를 데리고 무사히 감옥을 빠져나온 삼총사는 예수의 본거지로 향하는데 드디어 철가면을 쓴 남자의 얼굴이 세상에 드러나고
I've waited 6 years to ask this question. Why was this done to me?
You don't know. What do you remember?
I lived in a country house, and they came and took me to the prison, and they put me into the mask. For days I shouted, what have I done? Then I realized that there was something about my face, but I never knew what it was.
What is your name?
Philippe.
These men are going to help clean you up.
Thank you for your kindness.
그리고 잠시 뒤 필립의 얼굴을 본 포르토스와 아토스는 크게 놀랐는데
Now I'm going to tell you that secret. It began the night King Louis was born. I was summoned to a rear door of the palace. The Queen had given birth to twins that night.
Another. It's another.
Where the Queen's own priest placed a baby in my arm. And the child I carried was the younger of the two. Suddenly, the old king discovered he had two heirs, so he decided, for the sake of peace, to make one of them disappear. On his deathbed, he revealed your existence to Louis and your mother. But now Louis was king. He was afraid to kill you. So instead, he devised a way to keep you forever hidden. For my country, for my king, I bought peace with your life and with my soul. One day, I will ask for your forgiveness.
이어서 아라미스는 필립을 왕위에 올리자는 계획을 밝힙니다.
It's ludicrous.
I can assure you it's brilliant.
Louis has an arrogance, a manner.
Which can be adopted.
It is Philippe's as well?
Yes, and like us, he has a choice. What about it, Philippe? You have the chance to be a king if you have the heart to take that chance. Do you? Do you?
그리고 얼마 뒤 루이 앞으로 한 상자가 도착하고 루이는 필립의 사망 소식과 함께 그가 쓰던 철가면을 받은 것이었는데
My son, forgive me.
Milady.
D'Artagnan.
사실 앵과 달타냥은 서로 사랑하는 사이였고
I cannot bear to see you cry. Tell me what's wrong.
하지만 앤은 끝내 아무런 말도 하지 않은 채 방을 나서죠. 한편 멀리서 필립을 지켜보던 아토스가 그에게 다가가는데
Worn this mask so long I don't feel safe without it.
I will sit with you.
6년 만에 되찾은 자유였지만 필립은 아직 모든 것이 낯설기만 했고 오랜 세월 가면 속에 갇혀 살아온 그에게 하루아침에 왕이 되어야 한다는 사실은 선뜻 받아들이기 어려운 현실이었죠.
I've been in prison for 6 years. You freed me. But now you're asking me to enter another prison.
We're offering you a chance to be king.
You're offering me a chance to pretend to be king. Until you give me a reason, I won't do it.
Philippe is right.
I understand your reason, Athos. Porthos told me about your son.
And you think that's why I'm here? Once all of us believed in spending our lives in the service of something greater than ourselves. That one day we would finally be able to serve a king worthy of the throne. I taught Raoul to believe in that dream. So I am here to find out if his life was in vain. And the only one who can answer that question is you.
아토스의 말에 결심을 굳힌 필립은 칼을 집어들고 삼총사에게 왕이 되기 위한 가르침을 받기 시작하죠.
These rooms are yours.
And whose rooms are these?
These rooms are your mother's.
My mother's?
그 무렵 크리스틴 앞으로 라울이 전장에서 보낸 편지가 뒤늦게 도착하고
That is where I must go. To love you as you should be loved. I will love through heaven or hell. Yours forever, Raoul.
What's the matter?
I received a letter from Raoul, knowing that he would die and I would be here. How would you know that?
I can't guess what he was thinking.
I loved him, Louis. I love him still. And in pretending to love you, I do something awful.
You pretend.
I will burn in hell. So will you.
No, you will burn in hell. I will not, for I am king.
No, wait. With a king, it is so. He will touch it as little as possible. Again.
I'm sorry.
You must never apologize. There are no mistakes when you are the king.
Is that the kind of king you wish me to be? Or do you say this to me because your son is dead? Forgive me, I would never mean to...
I'm not angry, but first you must pass as Louis. The eyes of this king say that he cares for nothing at all but himself.
삼총사는 왕실 가면 무도회에 잠입해 루이를 납치하고 필립을 왕위에 올릴 계획을 준비하고 있었는데
The ball has been brought forward to tomorrow night. But I cannot be ready unless my tailors work all night.
일정이 촉박해지자 이들은 서둘러 움직이고 한편 아라미스는 황후를 찾아가 필립이 살아있다는 사실을 전하는데
Have the chance to make a miracle that could strip all masks away forever.
We have to be lucky. We make our own luck tonight.
Relax, Philippe. You're doing well.
My brother.
루이가 춤을 추기 시작하자 삼총사와 필립은 계획대로 움직이기 시작하고
Your Majesty?
To the passageway.
Your Majesty!
It's Judgment Day.
You know the way. You have the heart of a king.
Continue.
Some refreshments, Your Majesty.
그런데 평소와는 다른 왕의 행동에 사람들은 일제히 그를 쳐다보죠.
Queen Mother!
때마침 등장한 황후 덕분에 위기를 모면한 필립은 난생 처음 어머니와 마주하게 되자 만감이 교차하는데
God bless the King and the Queen Mother! God bless the King and the Queen Mother!
I'll retire now. We have much to talk about. We have the rest of our lives to do it.
Good night. Mother.
Good night, my son.
앤이 퇴장하자 달타냥은 필립을 유심히 살피고
How long has the king been back?
Some while, Captain.
Murderer!
크리스트는 루이의 이름으로 전방에 서신을 보내 라울의 죽음에 대한 진실을 알게 됐다며 울부짖는데
To place him at the vanguard of the assault, just in front of the cannon. You killed Raoul!
Take your hands off!
Let me...
However I have wronged you, I will make amends.
평소와는 다른 루이의 태도에 수상한 낌새를 눈치챈 달타냥.
Deploy the musketeers. Guard all the passages.
Continue.
We have an emergency of security, Your Majesty.
Not now, thee.
I insist, Your Majesty.
한편 삼총사는 루이를 데리고 궁을 빠져나가려 하다가 총사대의 습격을 받게 되는데
Step
Raise the other! Prevents the flow!
I am Porthos! Wanna fight the king? Come on! Hold off!
Everyone stop! Stop there! Before they reach the river!
This man is an impostor.
This is the imposter.
Pull them back!
Get in the boat, Your Majesty. Open the gate.
Open the gate!
Open the gate.
I'm sorry I failed you.
We failed you.
You take my king, and I shall take yours.
I was told this imposter was dead.
You knew there was a man of such resemblance?
My twin. A fact which has kept him alive until now.
Louis, you were a part of this too, Mother?
Spare the life of this man.
Your brother. No right to ask me this.
I have prayed every day to see you become greater than your office, better than the law. Show mercy.
And you take the side of traitors.
And what have you done to him?
Please, I release you from any sin in taking my life. I beg that you kill me. Return me to the prison where I have lived for so long. You will hunt down Porthos, Athos, and Aramis and bring me their heads. And as for you, my brother, and into the mask you hate,
Wear it until you love it!
and die in it.
There were two.
I couldn't tell you.
I have loved you always. No matter what happens, I pray you remember that.
Christine's room. Where is she? Get rid of it.
Where are you taking me?
결국 필립은 바스티유 감옥에 수감되어 다시 철가면을 쓰게 되고
When D'Artagnan returns, watch him. And when he leaves again, you tell me. Your Majesty.
한편 총사들을 피해 은신처로 향한 삼총사는 달타냥이 남긴 메모를 발견하는데
Philippe has been moved to the lower dungeon of the Bastille. One for all for one. D'Artagnan.
Our old uniforms. I was saving them so that we could wear them in death. And so we shall.
Open up! We have a prisoner.
Take him down to level 3.
It worked.
The problems will come when we want to get out.
그 시각 달타냥은 황후에게 자신의 마음을 전한 뒤 삼총사를 돕기 위해 바스티유 감옥으로 출발합니다.
Is this what you're looking for?
The key.
No.
I knew you would come for me.
한편 앙드레에게 달타냥의 행적을 보고받은 루이는 직접 총사들을 이끌고 바스티유 감옥으로 향하고
The courtyard is blocked.
He's here to trap us.
Save yourselves. All that you have suffered, I would gladly have borne myself to keep it from you.
D'Artagnan is right. The courtyard is filling with soldiers.
If we go this way, they'll know you helped us.
It doesn't matter now.
Trapped.
Spare their lives if you can.
Cowards! 20 men run from 4, and no one has the stomach to fight the captain.
어쩔 수 없이 앙드레가 나서지만 삼총사의 상대가 될 수는 없었죠. 그때 지원 병력이 도착하고
D'Artagnan, I am not angry with you. Lay down your sword, and I will not punish you. And I will give your friends a swift execution.
Perhaps you should take his offer. We're dead anyway.
He is right, D'Artagnan.
Wait. Please let me go.
No, I cannot do it. Even if I could give up my king, I could never give up my son.
Your son?
I loved your mother. I love her still. You are my son. I never knew you existed, and I never felt pride as a father until this moment.
D'Artagnan, they're young musketeers. They revere us.
Why don't we charge them?
They will fight to the death. If we must die, let it be like this.
One for all for one.
Magnificent valor.
그 순간 루이가 필립을 향해 달려드는데
Get off me!
Philip. He is your brother. Brother. Outside. All of you. You're sworn to silence.
Get this off me! Get this off me!
All my life. This is the death I have always wanted.
Forgive me.
All for one. One. You were the one in the mask. All my life, all I ever wanted to be was him.
We have recaptured the prisoner. No! No, I am the... You'll put this madman where no one can hear his insanity. Feed him well. And them? They are my royal council and truest friends.
He was the best of us all.
Athos. Let me love you like a son to a father, and I pray you live for this, to love me like your son.
Salute! One for all for one!
영화 아이언 마스크는 브레이브 하트의 각본가로 유명한 랜달 월리스 감독이 각본과 감독을 맡은 1998년 작품으로 알렉산드르 디마가 실존인물 샤를드 달타렝의 생애에서 영감을 얻어 집필한 타이타닉 로망스 시리즈 3부 브라질론 자작 10년 후의 일부를 영화화한 작품이지만 영화는 원작 소설과는 많은 차이가 있다고 합니다. 루이 14세의 시대를 배경으로 왕의 폭정에 불만을 품은 삼총사가 철가면을 쓰고 비밀 감옥에 갇힌 왕의 쌍둥이 동생을 구하는 이야기가 화려한 볼거리들과 함께 펼쳐지며 자식에 대한 아버지들의 헌신적인 사랑이 이야기의 또 다른 축을 담당하면서 예상치 못했던 감동을 안겨줍니다. 영화에 등장하는 철가면의 죄수는 실존인물로 그가 누구인지는 아직까지 확실하게 밝혀지지 않았다고 하며 영화는 평론가들에게는 호평을 받았지만 타이타닉의 엄청난 히트 이후 레오나르도 디카프리오의 차기작으로 주목받으면서 제작비 3,500만 달러에 전세계 흥행 수입 1억 8,200만 달러를 돌파하며 흥행에 크게 성공했습니다. 상반된 성격의 1인 2역을 연기하는 레오나르도 디카프리오의 눈부신 리즈 시절과 세월이 흘러도 변치 않는 사나이들의 뜨거운 의리와 충정을 담아낸 작품으로 본편을 꼭 감상하시길 강력히 추천합니다.